Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing every clip and the master audio into one Capcut project so nothing is scattered. Once done, set the project frame rate to 24 or 30 FPS and confirm resolution to avoid drift. Next, trim obvious dead space from each clip and put the reference audio on the top track. This gives you a single timing source. Doing these steps first prevents later slippage and makes the next precise actions much faster and more reliable. You now switch to waveform view and zoom the timeline to at least 200% so individual peaks are visible. Mark each key transient or clap on both the reference audio and each clip. These markers become anchor points. Once markers exist, split clips at those points and use the nudge tool or drag handles to align waveform peaks within 1 to 2 frames. Doing this manually gives you surgical control and prevents sync errors that automatic tools can miss. You finish by playing back the sync segment at full resolution and watching lips and transient hits for 10 to 20 seconds. This confirms alignment under real conditions. If everything looks good, add tiny crossfades or microcuts to hide any remaining clicks and export a short test file. If you see drift, make sure project FPS matches source footage and then realign using markers or apply a fixed speed adjustment to the offending clip. This is the fastest reliable fix when timing shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.